India and Russia have always shared a strong military partnership, but now this collaboration has taken a new turn. Russia has offered India a deal that has captured global attention. This offer is for the Sukhoi 60 fighter jet, which will not only elevate India's defense sector to new heights, but also help establish the country as a global military superpower. India will no longer have to depend on the American F-35 or the Russian Sukhoi 57. Instead, it is preparing to collaborate with Russia to develop a third, mysterious, and highly advanced fighter jet. This jet will be manufactured in India, specifically in the same production facilities where the Sukhoi 30 MKI is built. This new aircraft is being named Sukhoi 60, which has the potential to become one of the deadliest fighter jets in the world. India's strategy has always been shrouded in mystery, while global powers try to sell their military products to India. The country not only assesses their technology, but also ensures that it achieves self-reliance in defense. In the realm of stealth fighter jets and multi-role fighter aircraft (MRFA) projects, India had several options. The United States, Britain, France, Germany, and Russia all wanted to sell their fighter jets to India. But India placed a clear condition. It did not just want aircraft, it wanted full access to their technology. This condition led some countries, like Britain with its Tempest project and the US with its F-35, to step back, as they were unwilling to share their sensitive technologies. However, Russia and France accepted India's demand. While France proposed the Super Rafale, Russia offered the Sukhoi 57. The big question arises: why didn't India simply purchase these jets if technology's transfer was also part of the deal? The answer has now surfaced. India was never just looking to buy aircraft, it had its sights set on a larger strategic game plan. It wanted stealth fighter jet technology not only for immediate operational capabilities, but also for its indigenous AMCA, Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft project. This is why India engaged in deep negotiations with both Russia and France. Understanding India's position, Russia made a new offer. It proposed that India could manufacture the Sukhoi 57E in its existing Sukhoi 30 MKI production plants, while simultaneously developing an entirely new aircraft, Sukhoi 60. This name may be unfamiliar because the project has remained highly confidential. This aircraft is expected to be even more advanced than the Sukhoi 57 and will be developed within India itself. Russian defense export company Rosoboronexport made this offer public, creating ripples worldwide. Currently, India operates over 260 Sukhoi 30 MKI fighter jets, most of which have been domestically manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) under a Russian license. These aircraft form the backbone of the Indian Air Force, but there has been a growing need to upgrade them. Now, Russia is saying that the Sukhoi 30 MKI era is over, and India should leap forward to the next generation. As part of this proposal, Russia has offered India the Sukhoi 57E, a fifth-generation stealth fighter jet capable of evading radar, flying at supersonic speeds, and engaging multiple targets simultaneously. However, the real game-changer is Sukhoi 60. This aircraft remains highly classified, but speculation suggests it will be an upgraded version of the Sukhoi 57. Featuring advanced artificial intelligence, next-gen stealth capabilities, and long-range missile systems. One of the most exciting aspects of this proposal is that India does not need to establish a new production facility. The existing infrastructure used for manufacturing the Sukhoi 30 MKI can be slightly modified to produce both the Sukhoi 57 and the Sukhoi 60. This presents a golden opportunity for India to advance its defense capabilities without a massive additional investment. The Russian offer is structured in three main parts. First, India will manufacture the Sukhoi 57E domestically. Second, the existing Sukhoi 30 MKI fleet will be upgraded with Indian weapons and advanced avionics. Third, Russia will collaborate with India on its indigenous AMCA project. These three elements together present India with an unparalleled advantage. If this deal is successfully executed, India stands to gain immensely. Firstly, it will acquire the cutting-edge Sukhoi 60, an aircraft that will be built entirely on Indian soil. Secondly, this deal will enable India to become a global supplier of advanced fighter jets, boosting its defense exports. Thirdly, Russia's technological assistance will accelerate India's AMCA project, pushing it further towards self-reliance. However, some challenges remain. The biggest question is whether Russia can be trusted again. Previously, India and Russia had collaborated on the FGFA, fifth generation fighter aircraft project. But India withdrew from it in 2018, citing concerns over Russia's reluctance to share key technologies and excessive costs. Now, Russia is once again promising full technology transfer. The question is, will it keep its word this time? Another concern is whether India's AMCA project will be affected if the country diverts too much focus towards Sukhoi 60. The AMCA is expected to be ready by 2034, and prioritizing the Sukhoi 60 could slow down its progress. However, Russia has assured that it will support both projects, ensuring India's long-term defense interests. If this deal moves forward successfully, it could be a historic milestone for India. Not only will it strengthen India's military capabilities, but it will also cement the country's position as a major defense player on the global stage. India has already demonstrated its defense collaboration success with Russia through the BrahMos missile project. If Sukhoi 60 becomes a reality, this partnership will reach new heights. Russia has put this offer on the table, but the world is now waiting for India's response. Will India seize this opportunity and propel its defense sector to new levels? Or will it prioritize its AMCA project and reject this offer? The coming months will provide clarity. However, one thing is certain. This proposal has already shaken the global defense landscape. If you found this information interesting and want to stay updated with such major developments in India's defense sector, stay connected with us. Like this video to show your support, comment your thoughts because your opinion matters, and subscribe to the channel to receive the latest news before anyone else. Also, share this video with your friends so they too can understand how India is emerging as a global power. Jai Hind.